everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Mahesh, and in today's video we are going to see how you can configure which objects or fields are actually searchable org-wide into your Salesforce organization. So let's take a deep dive into how you can configure those objects and fields, like what all objects and fields are actually searchable org-wide. So I'll show you one thing before that. So I have actually queried the list of accounts in my Salesforce organization. As you can see, I have those list of accounts. Let's say I wanted to search this University of Arizona into my Salesforce org. If I search this one, if I'll go to one of the sales app, right, and then search for that account here. So this is actually doing org-wide search, and it will result whatever it matches with that name. It will actually return all those accounts that are matching with that particular name, or any of the objects that matches with that name. So it will return all of the results. So as of now, there is only one single result, that is account. There is one single record with that name. But let's say I wanted to search another account. Let's say this is Edge Communications. If I search this, it will again do an organization-wide search and return all those objects which have this particular name. And if you currently see, there is only one account with that particular name, that is Edge Communications. Let's say for some reason I want to disable account object through this org-wide search. Alright, so what we can do is I will go to setup and then search for search manager here. You will be able to see search manager, and what we will have to do is, if you see this search manager, there is some search configurations. So you can actually add a new configuration. Alright, and then basically let me name this disable search. And then I'll select the profile. Alright, there has to be no spaces there. You can actually configure your profile according to your need. So as of now, I will configure the system administrator, that is myself. Alright, and then what I can do is I can then basically save the setting. Once I save the setting, if you can see, it will display all the objects in your organization, and according to object, if we select that object, it will, in the right hand side, it will display all the fields here. Alright, now what I want to do is I want to disable the account object from the org-wide search. So as you can see, this is enabled as of now. I will just click on disable. It will exclude from the search. Now account object was excluded. Now if I again try to search Edge Communication again, now it will not return anything. Alright, it will just return, let's say, opportunities that have Edge Communications as the account name, contacts as Edge Communication as the account name, but not the account itself. So that account object itself is not being shown here. So this is how you can configure an object. Alright, I'll enable it back again. Let's say I have one field called as SLA serial number. Alright, I'll show you that one. So this is the field here. If you can see this field, currently it is searchable. If you see this tick box, it is searchable. What I'll do is I'll exclude from search. Before doing that, I'll show you how it works. So let's say this is United Oil and Gas Corporation, and the serial number is 6654. Alright, I'll just copy this and then search org-wide. Let's say if it shows that account or not. Yeah, it shows that account, United Oil and Gas Corporation. Let's say I want to exclude that field from the search, organization wide search. Then what I'll do is I'll just exclude from search. I select exclude from search and then click on save. Now if I try to search again, it will not show up the account because that field is excluded from the organization wide search. So this is how you can configure a field whether it is searchable or not. To actually to have better performance in your org, what you can do is you can exclude the number of objects or number of fields that you don't want to be searchable. In this way, it will save a lot of cache data that is present in Salesforce and make the performance better in real case. So this is how it is configured. So thank you for watching the video. See you again in the next video with a new topic, and hope you're doing good and well and fine. So thank you and see you again. Bye.